Hi and welcome to Magneto Thermals. My name is Franco. We are here in the West Rand in Gauteng at a beautiful small wildlife estate where the owner of this beautiful house has just completed the build a few months ago, and he's opted to go completely off the grid. So he's installed quite an array of solar panels, batteries and inverter, and he's also sunk in a borehole, so there's no utility bills for him per month. The upside also is that he's installed two of these Magneto thermo tanks as a hot water source. And these are connected to an integrated ring main system that feeds throughout the house to the furthest end and then down all the way with a leg to the kitchen and back through a small little circulating pump at the back of these tanks, which provides hot water 24/7 all around the house at all the different points, the faucets, the bath, everybody in the house has got hot water at the same time. So there's no wastage of cold water that we have to flush through the system before the hot water arrives. Having said all of that, a lot of South Africans have spent a fortune on solar systems, especially during load shedding times, investing in batteries and solar and so forth. And yet with the latest tariff increases we received from Eskom and a 40% hike we expected for next year, people are telling me that they're not seeing the savings that they were hoping for. Now this could be due to one of two specific reasons. The first reason is the installer probably didn't install the system correctly, or that your settings on your inverter has not been adjusted. Now that load shedding has been suspended, people don't realize that the inverter was set to allow the batteries to only be drained to around 60 or 70%, that in case the power goes off, that you have uninterrupted electricity for your household. You need to change those settings to drain your batteries and deplete them as far as you can, as low as 20 or 30%, depending on the specific battery that you have installed, in order to show those savings. Secondly, you have not addressed your hot water system. Now, to explain this in simple terms, let's assume your electricity account was around 5,000 rands a month. 2,500 rands goes just for your hot water system, because about 50 to 60% of your household really is consumed by a load which is created by your geyser. Either 150 litre or 200 litre geyser, they can use anything between 3 kilowatt and 4 kilowatt. That's the elements they are equipped with. And what they normally do with a solar installation, they bypass these hot water systems as a non-essential. On the other hand, you've about 2,500 rands that you spend on your normal utilities, which is your pumps, your swimming pool, your utilities inside the house. So by having the solar installed, you've really only addressed this part of your bill, which is in the region of about 30 to 40%, depending on how your inverter settings were done. If your inverter settings are done correctly, you can reduce this a further probably 20 or 30%. But what people forget is the hot water system on this side still consumes 50% because it draws power directly from the grid and not from your inverter. So by installing a Magneto thermo tank, you can reduce this because the thermo tank only uses 750 watts compared to 4,000 watts from your conventional geyser. Now, what are the hot water options you've got? You've got one of three options. Either you go for a solar geyser, which is a flat plate collector or evacuated tube, which on a rainy day like this is not really beneficial because it's still backed up with a 3 or a 4 kilowatt element that has to draw power from the grid and not from your batteries, because it's still a huge demand that your inverter won't be able to cope with. Secondly, you can go for a gas system. And if you don't buy a proper, decent, quality gas system, people that has them installed will know what I'm talking about. You either have scalding hot or very cold water, and it normally leaves you in the middle of the night where the gas is finished, and then you have to go change bottles or valves. And then thirdly, you have all these fancy gadgets that controls your geyser with timers and all sorts of things. They don't really work because you're still equipped with an element resistance heater element. All you do is you're just deferring the load during high and low peak times through a timer switch. So the only real option that really truly works is a heat pump driven system, like the Magneto thermo tank. This is equipped with a little 3 kilowatt heat pump on top that connects to the tank at the bottom, and the tank is a non-pressurized vessel. This technology is developed and built right here in South Africa. The components that is in here is all interchangeable. It is a very good quality product. The heat pump only uses 750 watts while producing heat to the tank, and inside the tank there are heat exchange coils, and you can see in some of our other videos and advertisements how the technology works. But if you are opting to get off the grid, or to get as close as off grid as you can possibly do, or to save electricity, address these two things. Address your hot water system and address your solar systems connections. But don't take my word for it. Let's hear what satisfied customers has to say that has already installed the Magneto Thermotank. Or you can go to our website www.ems-holdings.com, or you can contact me, Franco, on 082 866 2322. Now let's hear what customers has got to say about the Magneto Thermotank.
So if anybody's considering installing solar, or you have an existing solar system in place, I would strongly recommend you consider the Thermotank, because part of what you should be doing is you should be reducing your load in your household, and this is a great way of reducing the excessive energy consumers like geysers with something that works just as well, Wi-Fi enabled, and on the system on your smartphone, so you can monitor it, and obviously it helps you with your load, and using the sun to heat your water is the best way to go.
My grootste rede hoekom ek 'n Thermotank laat insit het, is juis om verdere krag te bespaar. Jy weet, ek het 'n redelike groot solar stelsel, en my gewone solar geysers, die tube tipe het ek ingehaat, maar dit het my gekos nog steeds maklike 1200 na 1400 rand 'n maand toe, en dit was vir my net nie goed genoeg nie. Dit het my batterye in die aand plat getrek, so ek moes begin rondkyk, en ek het baie rondgekyk, en een van die belangrikste goed wat vir my was nadiens, jy weet, jou naverkoopsdiens, en ek het toevallig op die Magneto afgekom en gesien dis 'n true Suid-Afrikaanse produk, en ek het toe ondersoek ingestel. Franco het my kom sien, ons het daaroor gesels, en ek het toe dadelik besluit om die verandering te maak, en ek het toe hulle dit laat installeer, en ek moet vir jou sê, ek kon na die eerste maand sien. Een van die ander probleme was ook, jy weet, die mense wat stort in die oggend en in die aand. Dit was 'n ander probleem gewees, en ek moes al ewig op 'n app moes ek goed aansit en afsit en al die tipe van dinge, jy weet, want hy trek 4 kW krag, is verskriklik baie, en veral in die aand, jy weet, en hierdie 750 watt het 'n hengse verskil gemaak, en ek kan nou vir jou sê, my kragrekening het van 1004 na hierdie maand R124 wat ek skuld. Jy weet, so vir my was dit 'n fenominale verandering gewees en 'n groot besparing. Ek kan hierdie stelsel vir enige iemand sonder enige twyfel aanbeveel. Dit is vir my die beste investment wat jy kan maak, al het jy 'n ander bestaande solar tipe van stelsel in. Hierdie stelsel werk vir my baie beter. Die kostebesparing op sigself is 'n groot rede hoekom ek dit sal aanbeveel aan enige iemand anders. En dan tweedens, Magneto definitief sy after sales care, 'n local produk is nogal vir my belangrik, en dis hoekom ek dit sal aanbeveel.
I would highly recommend this. This is a locally made, locally sourced product, made in South Africa for South Africans. I would highly recommend a South African built product over any. Spares are local. If you've got any issues, there is a 3-year warranty on the product. I highly recommend it. I was looking at electricity savings. Number one was I've got solar now, and I don't see any difference in my electricity costs. So I found out that my main electricity eaters, my geysers. So I looked for an alternative heat source, and I went for the Magneto thermal pumps.
Okay, die rede hoekom ek die Magneto geyser ingesit het, eerstens my kragbesparing. Ek het 'n inverterstelsel geïnstalleer by my huis, en ek kon nie my gewone geyser op my inverter sit nie, want hy gebruik te veel kilowatts 'n uur, en dit is nie goed vir my batterye nie. Ek kan nie my batterye so baie drain nie, en toe het ek besluit op die geyser, want hy gebruik net 0.75 kilowatt 'n uur. Daar is ander geysers in die mark wat ek ook kon kies. Ek is 'n loodgieter, ek ken die sisteme, maar nog steeds, as hulle op my inverter hardloop, gebruik hulle nog steeds redelik krag, 2 kilowatt om en by. En ek wil nie soveel drain uit hom nie, want ek soek hitteverplasing teen min kraggebruik. Ek sal definitief hierdie stelsel aanbeveel vir mense, definitief, want dit is plaaslik vervaardig. Die nasorgdiens is hier by ons. Al word hy in van sy parte ingevoer, word hy wel hier in Suid-Afrika mekaar gesit en sy ontwerp is direk uit Suid-Afrika uit. Okay, my hoofrede is, kyk, die geyser, 'n mens kan seker 'n paar goedkoper sisteme kry, nê, maar weer eens, ek gaan terug na die vermoë wat die geyser het. Die ander geysers gee baie minder warm water, waar ek verskriklik baie warm water uit hierdie geyser uitkry, omdat hy 'n indirekte sisteem volg.
Franco, die kliënt het my genader om vir hulle solar installasie te doen, waarop ek uitgewerk het, hulle gebruik so 85 kWh per dag. So, om 85 kWh per dag te doen, het ons omtrent 'n 25 kW peak sisteem nodig. En wat baie duur gaan uitwerk. So, toe kyk ons, hoe kan ons vir haar eers krag spaar, sodat ons die sisteem kan kleiner en goedkoper maak. Toe het ons uitgewerk, min of meer met die EMS thermotank. As ons 2 insit, gaan ons omtrent 30 kWh per dag spaar, van hulle gewone geysers na thermotank toe. Dit het ook die sisteem kleiner gemaak, dat ons kon 'n 13.5 kW peak sisteem insit, met 'n 10 kW inverter en 20 kWh batterye. En op hierdie stadium na installasie, gebruik die kliënt, maksimum het hulle nog net 19 kWh van die grid afgebruik. So, dit is 'n baie groot besparing, en dit gaan maak dat die Mogale City rekening baie laer is, omdat ons haar in die eerste blok tarief hou. Franco, ons het nou al gesien, die EMS thermotank is baie betroubaar. Dit is 'n Suid-Afrikaanse produk wat hier vervaardig word. Die diens op dit, as daar iets fout gaan of verstellings moet gedoen word, is dadelik en vinnig. En dis basies wat ons vir ons kliënte gee op ons solar kant ook. En ek voel net, jy weet, dit is die diens wat ek wil hê vir my kliënte op hulle geysers, en ek sal dit op enige van my sites voorstel vir die kliënte om krag te bespaar op hulle sites.